Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change color of second page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the color of the second page. Go to the second page. Then go to the page design option and go to background option. We can see here some colors, solid background or gradient background. Now we go to the more background option. Then click the solid fill. Then click the colors drop down menu and choose any color. Now I select this pink color. Then click OK. Now we can see we change color only the second page this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.